who draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you step by step how to draw a night owl. You know, the last night I woke up in the middle of the night and I was half asleep, and I was thinking, what does a night owl look like if he's woken up in the middle of his sleep? It's kind of funny. I think you're gonna like it. Come on, let's get to the studio. Okay, we're gonna start with a somewhat rectangle shape to be the head of our sleepwalking owl. Then I'm gonna have a nice two curves, almost like a leaf shape. And we're gonna give him two large circles for eyes, and one I have made much larger than the other. That will give a little bit of humor. Next we have a cone shape for the top of his beak. And then eyelids half shut and some type of bags under his eyes. Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this. Now I've given him a little bit of an eyebrow here, make him kind of mad, and some loose feathers on each corner of his head, kind of like he has bedhead. And make sure you draw lightly in all this, because once we're done you will go back and darken in your lines. I got two half wedges, almost like limes, like a silhouette of a lime for his two wings there. And then a straight down leg from his body. And this leg is up, his knee is up. Let's work on some tail feathers here. All right, let's get back to work on these feet. So I have a pair of slippers here. Two pairs of slippers. And if you need to, stop the video, get caught up, and then start it up again when you're ready. Okay, so I have enough of my underdrawing down. Now I'm going to go back in with some darker lines now. I always start with an underdrawing and make sure it's very light in color. It's something that I don't erase because I think it adds to the lifeless of a drawing. You just want to get good at drawing lightly in your first pass. Now this next, his little eye on the right side, I've made his eyeball kind of go in one direction and the other eyeball go in the other. Kind of makes him look kind of a little zany. He's woken up from a deep sleep here. And then I got his wings in here, and the first group of feathers are more like fingers, and as they get closer to his body, they get rounder and rounder. And then a second layer of feathers that are pretty even in size. On the left-hand side, you can see the final drawing, so you can reference that if you want to see where we're going here. Very skinny legs with some surface lines to give a sense that they're round. And what's nice about the skinny legs, it gives a lot of contrast to the fluffiness of his body, so it adds to the humor. Anytime we have contrast, it's very interesting to the eye. Getting in the other slipper here. And we are coming up on our 5 o'clock mark, and you can see that really all we have left now is to finish the head, and then we can color it. So I hope that you have enjoyed drawing this sleepwalking, sleep-deprived owl, which is funny in of itself. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.